ChitChat English.
What is your name?
My name is Jane.
How are you? I'm good.
Thank you, and you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you speak English? Yes.
I speak a little English. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you? I'm 18 years old.
Do you have any siblings? Yes.
I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do? I'm a student.
What time is it? It's 2 o'clock.
Where do you live? I live in New York.
Do you like coffee? Yes.
I like coffee very much.
How many apples are there?
There are 3 apples. Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot today.
What are you doing? I'm reading a book.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What color is your car? My car is red.
Are you married? No.
I'm single. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have a job? Yes.
I work as a teacher.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't play the guitar.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What's the weather like? It's sunny.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
How do you go to school? I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you like to travel? Yes.
I love to travel.
What's your dream job? My dream job is to be an astronaut.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing football.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's on Main Street next to the bank.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Can you help me? Yes.
What do you need?
Where did you learn English?
I learned English at school.
What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family.
Do you like to cook? Yes.
I enjoy cooking very much.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you drive a car? Yes.
I can drive.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
Do you have a computer? Yes.
I have a laptop.
What color are your eyes? My eyes are brown.
Do you like to dance?
No, I don't like dancing.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is John.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 5 rooms.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What did you do for your last birthday?
I had a party with my friends.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I've been to France.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mary.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
How do you relax?
I relax by taking a long walk.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water.
Are you good at drawing?
No, I'm not very good at drawing.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What's your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli.
Have you ever been on a boat?
Yes, I've been on a boat.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
How do you get to work? I take the subway to work.
Do you have a garden? No.
I don't have a garden.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I love hiking in the mountains.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watching movies at home.
What's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is popcorn.
Do you use social media? Yes.
I use social media regularly.
What's your favorite time of day?
My favorite time of day is evening.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, my favorite restaurant serves Italian food.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts.
Do you prefer to travel by plane?
Train or car? I prefer to travel by plane.
What color is your bedroom?
My bedroom is painted light pink.
What's your favorite thing to do with friends?
I love going to the movies with my friends.
What's your favorite kind of pizza?
I love pepperoni pizza. Do you have any plants at home?
Yes, I have a few indoor plants.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Saturday because I can relax.
Do you like to write stories or poems?
I like to write stories when I have time.
What's your favorite thing to wear?
I love wearing comfortable jeans and a t-shirt.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
My favorite juice is orange juice.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I enjoy watching cartoons sometimes.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos.
Especially of nature.
Do you like to sing? Yes.
I like singing, but I'm not very good at it.
What did you buy from the store last time?
I bought some fruits and vegetables.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I've been to a zoo many times.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend named Alex.
What's your favorite thing to do in the city?
My favorite thing to do is visit museums.
What's the last movie you saw?
The last movie I saw was The Incredibles 2.
What's something you're really good at?
I'm really good at solving puzzles.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I love to read a book or watch movies on rainy days.
Do you like to learn new things?
Yes, I'm always curious and love learning.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is Spotify for listening to music.
Shall we catch up again next week?
Yes, let's do that. Bye bye.